Okay, spent a half hour looking for stuff, at least. Okay, so I got my S box, got my jets, I found my chain load, I found that Loctite, I can't find my regular Loctite, and the air cleaner I got is not complete, so I'm going to have to use this old air cleaner. I don't know about that spacer yet. What else are we doing here? I don't know, can't find a lot of stuff. Can't find my soldering iron to solder up the hole. I did find my rubber caps, to put a rubber cap up on there, so we'll do it that way, I guess. Alright, so here's the carburetor. Oh, and I found the battery thing for the battery. Okay, so we're going to take this apart and see what is wrong in here, if anything. Nothing else, we'll see what jets are in it. So, it's kind of a pain when half my stuff I can't find, so maybe that's why I'm not working on bikes right now. Can't find any of my junk. Oh well, we'll make do. Just like being at home. You ain't got nothing. Okay, folks. I think I have a straight blade though, wasn't it? Straight blade, that's missing. I remember seeing that somewhere. I think it's upstairs. Yeah, I think it's upstairs somewhere. It ain't here. And there's this one. We got another one. Alright. Let's take big screwdriver. Boom, big screwdriver. Alright, so it's an Ultimate carburetor, so it's like an S&S, but different. Screw this long one bolt here. It'll be the long one. Gasket's fighting me. You should bring out your old handy dandy tool. Everybody should have one in their pocket. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Looks like an S&S. Got an S&S gasket on it. Ring. Float is really, really low. That is way low. It's like it's almost not even open. That's got some major fuel starvation issues when your float is not open. See, it only comes about halfway up the float bowl. So you go by the weight of the float, not by pulling on it. There's a spring in there, so you can pull it up that high, but that's not the same thing. So that means you have to bend the needle up a little bit. So you take the arm right here and go like this with it. Oh, look at it. Oh, it opens a lot further. I'm not sure how far you're supposed to be, but probably not quite that high. If it was a Super B, you'd be fine, but being a piece of crap E, there's something in between. You could look it up too if you wanted to, but Oop, too much. Yeah, I'm gonna go about 3/8 of an inch or so, 5/16, 3/8. That's probably 3/8. Alright. Should be working. We're assuming that gas comes into it. If you had a working fuel tank, you can check it and see what it actually shuts off at. You want to make sure the fuel level is at least a 1/4 inch below the gasket surface. So, alright, that works, maybe. So that's another problem. What else is going on in this stupid thing? There's no low speed jet in it. That could possibly be a problem. I guess those are optional. There's a main jet in here. Kind of. See if there's a hole through it. Should be a hole through it. Yep, big ass hole through it. Have to read what size that is. I don't know what it is. It's about that size right there. Alright. So we need a low speed jet. We don't have it. Let's pull out the emulsion circuit, see what that looks like. Ooh, that is not wanting to come out. There it goes. Kind of gritty, dry feeling. Okay, I got some holes in there. You gotta hold up the light, make sure they go through. Can't really see if they're going through or not. So I'm gonna blow on it. Anything to blow it with? Not really. So I'm gonna use some drill bits or a piece of wire or something, make sure they're open. I'll get that in a minute. Okay, it all looks good there. Next thing is you want to pull out the idle mixture screw here. That's got a lot of blackness on that thing. A lot of spitting back and not running very good there. Kind of matches the rest of the thing about the carburetor being wrong. Alright, so now you got to take an air nozzle and blow all these passes out, make sure they all go through, make sure they work correctly. You got to plug up this one. Alright, so where's my air nozzle at? I don't know where my air nozzle's at. I remember I used to have a couple. Like everything around here is wherever you can find it. That might be one way down there maybe. Ah, perfect. There's a rubber tip one. Alright. It's one of them. Now I need one with a steel tube on the end of it. It should be over here in the milling machine stuff. I did uncover that, and it is still in the milling machine stuff where it belongs. Perfect. I like it when things are where they belong. There we go. That makes it a lot easier when you find your tools. Okay, so now I'm going to check it. See what we got. And if you ain't got no air, you can use a brake clean or something like that if you had to. Spray bottle. Okay, so now go back down here. First thing you do is blow out the cannons. So you want to make sure these holes here are open. Not working very well, so try something different. Take this one. Rubber tip. Hold it there. Hold the other in there, and it should blow out through here. And then we'll come across the holes and make sure you feel it. Okay, every one of them's open. That works. I can see this was open, but you'll do the same trick. Yep, she's blowing good. Okay, now we go over here to the circuits and blow on them. Make sure you got good airflow out of here. Then you hold your finger over that one and see if it blows through this one over here. You can feel a little bit. I got the pressure, about air pressure is 175 pounds here. That's enough to hurt you. Okay, so that all looks good. Here's your air bleed in here. You want to make sure that is open also. Can't get that in there. Go back to one skinny one. It's the main jet. The air bleed for the main jet, so it's got air coming up through there. It's good. Check this directly through here. big hole coming out of that. Okay, everything seems to be opened up. Good sign. So everything appears to be working correctly. Okay, so what size jet is this thing? That I'm not sure of. It's pretty big though. Alright, be right back.